Okay, here we are at the city. This section of pipe is all PVC, so from 75 feet about to the city, it's PVC. The sewer is 93 feet long altogether from this front clean out. And right before the PVC, there's cast iron. I believe it's 4-inch. And there's a belly in the bottom of it. So there's where it joins the cast iron right here. And that's fine. But you can see it drops into water. There's a belly there. And it's pretty substantial. So that must be 6-inch cast iron there then too, because that looks about the same as the other one. It's PVC. And on the way down, I got my camera stuck in a spot in this low spot, which I'm pretty sure is a big hole in the bottom, because there's nothing else that would really be able to prevent me from getting out of the sewer besides a hole. So from 66.5 feet back to about 62 feet, there's a belly. Where the hole is probably somewhere from here on down through here. So that's a 4-foot section, and most of it's probably gone on the bottom. As for the rest of the pipe, it's pretty scaled up. You can see how bumpy it is on the bottom. That's from the cast iron bubbling up over time. You can see that. It's a pretty substantial bump. There weren't any roots in this pipe. Usually with cast iron, the joints are closed, and they're tight enough that roots can't get through them. So through here is another low spot, which with the state of the cast on the bottom isn't a good thing, because the same kind of thing could happen on this part of the pipe as did on that lower part, because the pipe itself is compromised, and with the low spot it's holding water and deteriorating faster. So you can see more of that scale bubbling there on the bottom. nuts to clean out. Thank you.